Now we must rotate the engine to get the timing marks. I show you them. Here's a mark on the crankshaft. This is the other mark on the engine. Here is one mark on the camshaft, and a second, that's the original one. This is the original timing mark on the engine. This one here. Now I must rotate the engine. Please be careful. It's only allowed to rotate the engine at turning the crankshaft, no other wheel. Be careful, turn slowly. It's done. This line up. Look at the other on the camshaft. That one doesn't. Here's the hole. There we could see the timing mark. But you must know, one turn on the camshaft are two turnings on the crankshaft, so I must rotate the engine again. So, this line up again. Let's look at the camshaft. That looks better. These two marks are from the pre-owner of the car. Yes, the mirror is the mechanic's best friend. Now we can remove the timing belt. So, what I must do now I must loosen the tension of the timing belt. So I must loosen this screw and this screw, push the tensioner in this direction, up, and then tighten this screw again. And the timing belt is loosened and I can remove it. Try to use a screwdriver. Yeah. It's called the pannonic method. So the timing belt is loosened. Now I can remove it. Touch that timing belt with clean fingers, but I have a new set. I don't put back the old again. It's a replacement. I start here on the camshaft. So, first of all I must replace the tensioner pulley, this part here. Now I must open this and this screw, remove them, and the hardest thing is to put in that spring again. That's really hard. Maybe I can take this off, you can better see. Here's the spring. Maybe that part was okay, but I replace it. I don't like surprises in this case. Here's the new one. So let's see the solution. Okay, this is one part of the spring. Let's see how we can fix the other one. I was lucky. I hope you saw it. How to do this, maybe that helps you one day. Now the screw is tightened, I loosen it again. That was only that the spring cannot come off. Now I must bring the tensioner in loosened position. So now we can install the timing belt. Check the timing marks. This one is lined up. This one is lined up too. Here's the new timing belt. If you have dirt on it, wipe it away. If there's no arrow which marks the running direction, always mount the timing belt so that you can read the writing. In this case, so. Very important is touch the timing belt with clean hands, clean fingers, no oil, no grease, no cooling water. That all is bad for the timing belt. So let's mount it. Start here, put it down. over the crankshaft. Give it a tensioner pulley if I find it. Yes. And then over the camshaft. Okay. You must mount the timing belt that the loosened side is here at the tensioner pulley, or other side, otherwise it doesn't work. We can do a little bit adjustment. That's better. Okay. Now it's time to loosen the tensioner pulley and to tension the timing belt. Okay. That looks good. Now tighten the screw. Check the timing marks. These line up. This one line up too. Okay. Now must turn the engine minimum 1 rotation. Very important, always turn the engine clockwise. Now slowly. The timing marks should line up soon. The camshaft looks good. And the crankshaft also. A little bit different. Yes, these are okay. Check the tension. Looks good. We can now loosen the tensioner again. See if something happens. That's okay. Okay, tighten this screw. Tighten this one too. Don't forget. So, the timing belt is ready.